Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Ben from Elite Welding Academy, and on Monday, July 17th, we have big classes starting at all of our locations. I'm here in Cincinnati. I'm going to show all the students that are starting in Cincinnati where to go and what to do when you get here. Then I'm going to turn it over to the teachers down in Houston and at South Point so they can show you where to go and what to do. Follow me. All right, so when you get here, you're just going to come straight through the double doors, come straight down this hallway. When you get to the end of the hallway, you're going to make a right. All right, once you arrive, we have two classrooms in Cincinnati. There's classroom A, and then there's classroom B. The new class is going to be starting in classroom B, so just come on in here, have a seat wherever, and there will be a teacher waiting here when you get here.
Hello, I'm Michael Fraser, lead instructor here at Elite Welding Academy in Houston. For my new students that are starting on Monday, this is where you're going to go. Follow me. Come on into this classroom, find a seat.
Hey guys, this is Andy with Elite Welding Academy. March 20th class starts right around the corner. Follow me and I'll show you exactly where to go. And into the classroom here, and the instructor will get with you as soon as he can. Thank you.
We're very excited to get all of you welding, and remember, if you have any questions about where to go or what to do, don't hesitate to call or contact us. See you Monday.